Smells like in the morning.
The lark in the morning, she rises up the nest and goes off in the air with the dew all on her breast. And like the jolly cowboy, she whistles and she sings. She comes home in the evening with the dew all on her wings. Oh, Roger Plowboy, he is a dashing king. He goes whistling and singing in yonder leafy shade. He met with Jacket Susan, she's handsome, I declare, and she's far more enticing than the birds all in the air. The lark in the morning, she rises up her nest and goes off in the air with the dew all on her breast. And like the jolly cowboy, she whistles and she sings. She comes home in the evening with the dew all on her wings. As they were coming home from the race of the town, the meadow being mown and the grass been cut down. As they she turns to tumble upon the human way. Oh, it's kiss me now or never, this bonny lass did say. The lark in the morning, she rises up a nest and goes off in the air with the dew all on her breast. And like the jolly cowboy, she whistles and she sings. She comes home in the evening with the dew all on her wings. 'Tis a healthy plowboys wherever you may be, that like to have a bonny lass a-sitting on your knee. With a pint of good strong port, you whistle and you sing, and the plowboy is as happy as a prince or a king. The lark in the morning, she rises off her nest and goes off in the air with the dew all on her breast. And like the jolly plowboy, she whistles and she sings. She comes home in the evening with the dew all on her wings.
Thank you so much.